Lake Superior and Ispheming Railroad is one of the oldest independent short lines operating in the state of Michigan and is a popular railroad to visit in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Today, we are on the LS&I watching trains between Eagle Mills Junction and Empire Junction. Our first move of the morning was the 7 Tilden running as light power to the Tilden mine. Following right behind the 7 Tilden, a 7-wayer comes out of Eagle Mills Yard with a solo AC 4400 running long hood forward. They are seen coming through the famous rock cut at Eagle Mills Junction. The LS&I utilizes a fleet of mostly General Electric AC 4400s, which are currently being purchased from the leaseor. Many of the blue GEs have been spotted with their new LS&I reporting marks on the cab. Trains are numbered with a very logical system on the LS&I. First, you have the call time of the job, and then you have what the job will be accomplishing that shift. In the case of the 7 Tilden, it will head to the Tilden mine to pick up loads for Eagle Mills Yard. The 7-wayer will take empty hoppers to the mine, which will be partially loaded, and then they will be interchanged with the Canadian National at Partridge Yard. After a couple of hours and picking up their loads, the 7 Tilden returns from the mine with ore for the docks. This train uses ore jennies, most of which have been in service for decades on the LS&I. We view this train from above on the rock cut at Eagle Mills Junction. Having also spent a few hours in the mine, the 7-wayer returns from Tilden with the all-rail ore for Canadian National. They are seen heading around Empire Junction, where they will enter Partridge Yard. With their drop completed, the 7-wayer heads back to Eagle Mills Yard with the LS&I 1003 light power. They will make another trip to the CN interchange with a short train of mining byproducts and empties from the mining process. They will spin the 1003 and pick up another locomotive during their time in the yard. This would wrap up our morning action on the Lake Superior and Ispheming Railroad. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe for future Upper Peninsula railroading action.